Do you want to make a slow cooker meal? How about a Polynesian pork? Let's see what we got here, shall we? Alright, so what we're going to need is 4 to 5 pound boneless pork roast. I have this blade roast. We're going to need 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, half a cup of mango chutney, and 6 ounces of pineapple juice. 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 that's 2 teaspoons of curry powder, looking for 3 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 garlic cloves. I have some minced garlic, which is about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Okay, so the next part is where you will add half a cup of mango chutney. I could not find any mango chutney. I could find apricot preservatives, which is not what's necessarily recommended. It's recommended that you use apricot jam, but the store did not have apricot jam, so I have apricot preserves here. So we're going to put in half a cup of this. This is where we will mix them all together. Next, we will take the meat and we'll cover it with these mixture that we made. After we get the meat covered in the marinade that we made, I guess we'll call it a marinade, we're going to add half a cup or 6 ounces of our pineapple juice so that it has some juice to cook in. Make sure you get the meat nicely covered with your seasoning. You don't want any bland spots in there. And then we will set the timer for 8 hours and check and see how it turned out. Once your meat is done in the slow cooker, we're going to break it up into large portions. You don't want to shred it too small. You want it to be nice and hearty when it's done. I hope you enjoyed the meal. If you would like to click the like and the subscribe button, it does help a lot. I hope you enjoy this meal as much as I enjoyed cooking it with you. Have a great night.